craftsmanship for 3 decades, innovating a smarter future. What can 30 years change? From our first compressor to becoming a global industry benchmark, United Compressor has remained committed to craftsmanship and innovation. As the national high-tech enterprise, we proudly hold the specialized, refined, unique, and innovative title and are committed to delivering core power solutions to global industries. With rapid advancements in technology, intelligent manufacturing, green and low-carbon solutions, and AI-driven innovation are reshaping the future of compressors. Over the past 30 years, we have broken through technical barriers, integrating smart and energy-efficient designs into every machine. We are not just manufacturers, we are pioneers of industrial transformation. United Compressor operates a modern facility of over 30,000 square meters and holds over 30 national patents. We focus on the design, R&D, and manufacturing of compressors across multiple product lines. Our solutions serve a wide range of sectors, including gas energy, air separation, petrochemicals, oil-fueled gas lift, metallurgy, and mining in both domestic and global markets. With technological innovation as our core driver, we have earned the trust of major Chinese enterprises such as CNPC and Sinopec, and have expanded our footprint to Russia, India, Vietnam, UK, Spain, and beyond, demonstrating the strength of Made in China on the global stage. In alignment with the China Manufacturing 2025 strategy, we are advancing smart upgrades and building a multi-channel, service-oriented ecosystem to enhance customer experience and promote sustainable growth. In the future, United Compressor will continue to focus on specialization, high-end innovation, and brand development. We aim to deliver intelligent, eco-friendly solutions that redefine China's compressor industry. We embrace technology as our driving force, push for innovation and low-carbon transformation, and actively expand through the Belt and Road Initiative, bring United Compressor to the world.